Morning everybody, great video this morning. Right, as you can see I've got what looks like a pile of junk in front of me, and right, what it is, they're just a few boxes that came with Bond. I mean, obviously, well, this Bond's going to get tackled, and how we tackle it is, well, we'll see how we deal with it. But to be honest, it's a pretty straightforward thing, and it's probably a good time filler. It's good filler of time, because we go through some of this stuff here. I mean, like here, I've got wheel cylinders, right? I've obviously got the springs, and I've also got the pistons, and they all look excellent. You know, they're far superior to what you can buy now from China. So, I mean, I think in this such application, I ought to. I think that'll be that way. No, yeah, that's the way. Right, yeah, that's it. So that in. Obviously a damper, your sim, what is it? And then there you go. Right, so that, now, I mean, I know you probably can see from there, all right, or something like. I mean, I'll obviously do more intricate work on it, but like that can be rebuilt. Wheel adjuster can be fully rebuilt. These can be blasted, stripped, clean. Don't need to buy new. That's what I'm saying about filling time. And all springs are here. There's like dust cover for front wheel. There's washers, handbrake things. They're probably all available. They're probably reproductions. Look, these will fit and they'll fit proper. But your bags of bits like this, I mean, this is probably where people go a bit wrong. I mean, there's alt clips. These will all belong to something. There's horseshoe clips for things. I mean, if they're for these, I seem to be missing the front ones, so got to buy a pair. So what? But alt bolts, there's alt nuts for adjusters. There's everything. You start ferreting through. I mean, I've obviously got a clutch over here. I mean, I don't know how well you can see. I've got it on wide angle. There's a bracket here. That'll be something to do with engine, I can assure you. Right, we've got a carburetor bracket here. I can tell it's carburetor because it's same as manifold. Well, I ain't got manifold, but it's somebody's even made a gasket here. It's great. I love stuff like this. They've even popped a gasket on here, but it's same as carb. It's all solid. Springs on, but it's solid. So if you're doing something like this, you bought something like this, well, that's a job. Just free it off. You know, this like I'm saying about killing time. Slave cylinder for clutch. Set of springs there. Bob that in, new piston on, new seal on, sorry. There's your clip. You know, circle pin. Voila, simple as that. Repair, quick clean up. I can blast that and make it look like new. That will be far superior to anything you'll buy today. I mean, like I said earlier, like dust cap for front wheel. I don't know where you get one of them from, but I've got one. There's keys here. There is a bonnet and bulky. I mean, they've got to be looked at. There's even 3 like chrome trims here. Now, these are in this bag. Now, well, he gave me these. I've put them in a bag for safeguarding. And another key. And I think it must have had like just some like Art Deco type logo. I mean, I go into this bag here. I mean, there's a set of plug leads. These must be something to do with mounting something, whether it's radiator or whether it's, I don't know. It could be old. It looks like engine orientated because it's a bit mucky. There's a couple of heavy duty brackets. That's got to be something to do with engine. You know, there's another one here. They've got to be part and parcel and somehow mounting something up on it. In here you've got UNCs, UNFs. You know, you've got brackets. I don't know if that's for battery. You've got a mount. I don't know what that does, but no doubt I'll find out. You've got big rubber mounts here. They must all belong to something and all be part and parcel of car. So all sorts of brackets that you'll be looking for them. And another thing, I mean, there's even a cause here. Well, that's obviously for bottom of bell housing. Right, and here I managed to get me a manual. It's a Bond manual, but to be honest, top and bottom of it, it's got all bulletin things. It's all typed. Somebody sat at. Whether the lady or I'd sort of imagine it would have been a secretary in them days, been a lady. All typed up, all proper typing, you know, all clicked in. And then it's this, the rest of it really is a routes manual. You know, it's showing you ins and outs and everything. But point I'm trying to get over with this, I mean, I'm going to carry this video on a bit because I'm going to take you in the car and just let you look round and just, I mean, I'll just sit in it. When something new like this comes along, I'll just sit in it. and glance round, and I just absorb it, soak it up, just like I'm doing with all this. I'm not starting this imminent or like that. I mean, I have actually blasted back springs. In fact, let me get one and I'll show you. Here you go, look. I mean, I've done both of them, obviously, and then this is a Calfort radiator. Now, the reason they're done is I blast on a Wednesday now. That's what I do, because things are changing in a different direction. And so I've got a bit of time free, so they're blasted. They're in an H primer now, so they'll not rust out. They'll not carry on rusting out. I can decide to do whatever I'm doing. I mean, that's just got a bit of light corrosion on that cow. Springs are sound, just want a top colour. I have top colour. I mean, even stuff like these are obviously to do with farm or something like that. So, but you probably can't buy them. You know what I mean? Clean them up, give them a paint. There's even vacuum and advanced thing there. I'm missing Dizzy off this car, and I'm missing a couple of manifolds. But that's about it. But I'll carry this video on. Excuse me. I'll carry this video in card. I'll just go on a few little bits what I do, what I don't do, and I'm showing you this because it's a bit off norm. Cars a bit off norm, but I bet they could be very interesting. I bet they really could be interesting without bogging you down, which could be good. So stick around and I'll pull you in. Cheers. Right, well, let's carry this bit of a chat on. Right, so I'm not in Bond. I mean, do a short, just have to lift it because it's stuck on an hinge. Right, so this I'm probably rocking it back because I'm rocking it. This is what I'm saying about getting you, just get your head round what you're doing. I mean, you can probably see because it's on wide angle. I mean, this is just chucked in, but it's Father's Day tomorrow, so what I might do, I might have an hour on it, a couple hours. And I'll get this all out because I'm sure this works with like an alley sheet onto a subframe, and I've got jest of what it all does, and I could do again these bits of trims out so no gets damaged or ruined. And because I'm not starting it, I'm not doing it, but this is like my way how I get used to things. I mean, it's got an interior light here. It's got I mean, it just makes me laugh. This little dash pad here. Obviously ashtray, and I think everything will work. I might even put a battery on it tomorrow, but I can probably get just, well, as I say, an hour or two, and it'll point me where it's going. I mean, I can see there's some sort of heater thing behind here. I mean, I don't know how none of it works, but if you just sit in here, I mean, you might think I'm nuts. Well, I probably am nuts, but this is what I like to do. I mean, I look at this wheel, it's just a little bit oxidised, but it's all there. Nice little spot. Just imagine this wheel restored, and it'd be brilliant. That's like nice. I mean, it's deglazing here and there. I can see where people have probably pulled it off at some time, but it says Bond, doesn't it, in gold? So, you know, doors work. All these have worked. I think I mentioned before. I mean, I can see he must have been quite tall who had it, because I'm fighting for pedals, you know, to get clutch fully down. And I can also see like there's an alley frame through here, which must outsteer. Now that's got to have aluminium in. There's got to be somewhere rigid. Rigid. I can't pronounce word. It's one of them words. The rigidity of the, if that's how you pronounce it. Well, I just mean rigid anyway, but rigidity. No, I can't pronounce it. So it's just one of them words I can't get. Like our young and she can't get elephant. So it's just how it goes. So, but as I said, if I sit in here, I can just absorb it. I can work out how it all works. I've got samples of headlining. I've got everything. I mean, a bit of sewing, wow, you know. But quirky thing, as I've said, and like I say in there, just silly things like the master cylinders. I show you stuff like this. It's going to be of interest to you, and you're learning something, you know. I mean, if you want to learn, I mean, I don't know if people will be even interested in stuff like that, but you're probably going to have to be, because you're going to have to start and refurbish a lot of stuff you've got. So, there you go anyway. So it's just a bit of a chat about Bond really today, and well, sieving through bags of what looks like rubbish and achieving something right for your sense. So glass there, glass keeps falling out. That's something else. I'll absorb that while I'm having a minute. And in fact, I'll make myself a drink when I've done with you all, and I'll sit in it, and I'm sure I'll make some sense out of it all. So I don't know if you're gonna. I'll give a like anyway, like video, subscribe to the channel, and well, when did you last see a video where somebody was sat in a Bond? A few little tears in that seat on that side, but I've looked at it, there's enough material and it'll all stitch back. It will all go back. I'd like to keep this thing original. You know, see where we go with it, but could be a start, a new chapter altogether. I keep saying everything's going to change. Let's see. Stick around, folks, anyway. Keep sharing about, keep subscribing, just keep doing what you're doing. It all helps my channel. Thank you.